Get ready, gamers and tech enthusiasts. The PlayStation 5 Pro is here, promising to push your gaming experience to incredible new levels. If you've got a 4K TV, or you're looking for the absolute best console performance, you need to see this. This isn't just a small step, it's a leap. The PS5 Pro is designed for the world's greatest games, enhancing them with features that make everything look and feel better. Get ready for visuals that truly pop on your screen. Experience super sharp image clarity on your 4K TV like never before. PlayStation Spectral Super Resolution uses AI to deliver ultra-high definition play with astonishing detail. It's next-level visual fidelity. Say goodbye to choppy gameplay. The PS5 Pro delivers higher and more consistent frame rates, supporting both 60Hz and 120Hz displays. Plus, PS5 Pro Game Boost makes some PS4 and PS5 games run even faster and smoother. Dive into worlds with incredible realism thanks to advanced ray tracing. See stunning reflections, shadows and global illumination that bring game environments to life. It adds a whole new dimension to immersion. No more deleting games to make space. The PS5 Pro comes with a huge 2TB SSD built in. Keep all your favorite titles installed and ready to jump into instantly. Worried about your old library? Don't be. The PS5 Pro plays over 8,500 PS4 games. Many can even benefit from the PS5 Pro's Game Boost for improved performance. Players are loving the graphics quality and faster frame rates, calling the gaming experience awesome and smooth. They praise the power and performance, especially on 4K and even 8K TVs. While value and noise levels have mixed opinions, the performance boost is clear. If you're a PS4 owner looking for a massive jump, a PS5 owner craving the absolute peak performance, or a 4K TV owner wanting to maximize your display, the PS5 Pro is calling your name. Check out the PlayStation Store or major retailers to learn more and see if this powerhouse console is your next gaming essential.